Let's be honest. We all love a good breath of fresh air in our living spaces. Plant walls and hanging plant displays are the latest interior design trends taking the world by storm. And for good reason. Today, we are performing material alchemy on our vertical planes. We are moving past the structural limitations of leasing and revealing the structural logic behind high-end, damage-free hanging frameworks. If you're a plant enthusiast or simply seeking a unique way to spruce up your home or office, get ready to see how we build an interconnected geometric skeleton of green without drilling a single hole. I'm Beki. And this is the Textural Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today, we are proving that you don't need to own the property to cultivate a high-definition sanctuary that breathes. In 2026, premium design isn't about permanent structural destruction. It's about temporary, highly intelligent atmospheric curation. We are taking out-of-the-box hanging basket concepts, from glowing moss architectures to disco ball planters, and engineering them into a rental-friendly ecosystem that purifies the air and creates a sense of calm and serenity. Let's step into the alchemy. The Rental Greenery Revelation. 1. The philosophy of the fluid sanctuary. In the world of Beki Decor, your living space should never feel like a temporary holding cell just because you sign a lease. This is the starting point of material alchemy. When you don't own the drywall, you are faced with a unique design hurdle: how to introduce a rich, vibrant touch of nature to your space without causing permanent damage or violating your lease terms. Most renters give up, leaving their walls flat, cold, and visually uninspiring. In 2026, we completely shatter those spatial boundaries by engineering a fluid sanctuary. We use non-permanent hanging plant ideas to reclaim your vertical real estate. These green additions aren't just a fleeting trend, they are smart, highly sustainable choices that purify the air, increase humidity, and enhance your overall mood. By using smart, damage-free styling frameworks, we can build an interior that boasts incredible tactile integrity while keeping your security deposit perfectly intact. Two. Structural logic. The no-drill geometric skeleton. How do we suspend life from above without picking up a power drill? We rely on precise structural logic and high-performance alternative fasteners. To build a reliable hanging framework, you must start with a clean foundation. The golden rule of non-permanent hanging is surface prep. You must thoroughly clean the wall or window frame surface with rubbing alcohol before applying any adhesive hooks. This removes hidden oil barriers and guarantees optimal chemical adhesion. For heavy-duty vertical groupings, we introduce a modern tension rod system. By anchoring a minimalist matte black tension bar securely between two solid window frames or structural columns, you create a floating geometric skeleton. From this bar, you can layer your trailing plants at varying heights. To keep everything secure, you must opt for lightweight plants and thin-walled pots, such as spun aluminum or eco-resins. This structural discipline ensures your living art stays floating safely, giving you all the aesthetic rewards without structural compromise. Three. Out-of-the-box hanging baskets. Breaking the mold. If you want to truly liven up your walls, porches, or interior corners, you have to look past the basic plastic nursery basket. We want to bring something completely unexpected into our spaces. Ideas that turn your vertical zones into a creative oasis. Let's talk about introducing a disco ball planter into a sun-drenched rental corner. As natural light streams through the glass, the tiny mirrored facets of the sphere fracture the rays, sending a scattered dance of light across your matte walls. This is luminous integrity driven by styling. We can contrast that high-energy reflection by styling an organic, glowing moss basket in dimmer corners, or even hanging specialized upside-down tomato planters on a sunny rental balcony. These out-of-the-box vessels break the traditional landscape flatness, giving your home a playful, deeply personalized touch that sparks instant inspiration. 4. Curating the plant wall, scale and lifestyle logic. When building a damage-free plant wall inside an office or living room, you must carefully consider the size and care needs of each plant. Your green selections must seamlessly fit both your physical rental layout and your daily lifestyle. You don't want a chaotic green curtain that gets in the way of your workspace or stains your landlord's hardwood floors during watering. We build our temporary plant walls using modular, freestanding ladder trellises or rolling grid screens panels. On this framework, we layer self-contained, low-maintenance species like philodendrons, syndapsus, or sturdy pothos varieties. This creates a spectacular, living wallpaper effect. Because the plants are grouped vertically on a standalone skeleton, they trap humidity efficiently around themselves, lowering their overall water demands. It's a clean, self-contained layout logic that brings maximum visual volume with minimal structural impact. Five. Atmospheric curation. The health and design synergy. In 2026, we don't just decorate for the eyes, we style for the mind. Integrating plants into your vertical planes is a core practice of atmospheric curation. By lifting plants up to eye level, you are constantly interacting with the living texture of the foliage, which scientifically triggers a sense of calm and serenity in the nervous system. Furthermore, a well-engineered vertical garden acts as a natural, active biofilter. The leaves absorb ambient indoor toxins and synthetic emissions often found in standard rental carpet glues or synthetic paints, outputting clean, highly oxygenated air directly into your breathing zone. This is the true meaning of sustainable luxury, using clever, non-destructive design to actively elevate your physical health and daily peace of mind. 6. The final revelation. Your green journey starts now. At the end of the day, transforming your rental home or office into a vibrant oasis is entirely about changing your mindset. You do not need to own a piece of land to ground your life in nature. By blending smart hanging techniques with out-of-the-box container choices, you can bypass the landlord disputes and curate a space that completely reflects your soul. You've taken basic adhesive hooks, lightweight vessels, and trailing vines, and you've engineered them into a breathtaking revelation. You've used structural logic to build a garden that can pack up and move right along with you when your lease is up. Luxury is the freedom to cultivate beauty wherever you stand. Go ahead, trust your hands, and start your green journey today. Thank you for joining me for this textural greenery revelation. My prayer for you today is that you stop letting temporary lease terms hold you back from building your dream sanctuary. Clean your surfaces, pick out some lightweight pots, and start hanging your piece from above. If you've tackled a damage-free plant installation or built a rental-friendly green wall this week, tell me all about it in the comments below. I want to see how you are sprucing up your spaces. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you this coming Sunday for our next grand reveal. Stay grounded. Remember, your home is a living canvas, no matter who owns the deed. Don't be afraid to think out of the box, to look upward for inspiration, and to build an inspired indoor area that breathes with your life. Use your hands, honor the greenery, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep engineering your sanctuary.